like that kind of stuff on videotape anyway.
You know, it's hard for me to relax my middle because my whole life has been holding my stomach in, so I don't know how to do that.
Ah. Whoopsies. Miscommunication.
It's a major mental thing to let your stomach muscles relax.
Yeah.
You know, it really is.
It's much easier when you're younger. Little kids can do it like that.
Well, little kids can do everything. They just don't know how lucky they are.
I know, but I took kind of a couple-year hiatus from riding, and I came back in and I was like, man, you think it's like riding a bicycle, but
No.
the basics, yes, but when it comes down to the nitty-gritty, it's very hard.
Not even
Pretend
the
you know what
basics.
you're doing again.
Not even the basics are easy when you learn as an adult.
I would just bumble around like a sack of potatoes up here. Even at my age, it's hard to realize I'm getting older.
You're like 19.
Shut up. He loves to pick on me. I'm a couple years younger than they are. Be like
19,
pretend
are
that I'm
you? She's really
in
not
high school
19.
going to prom.
Now, how old are you now, Jen?
Almost 23. Thank you for getting that on tape, Tony. Now you can't make fun of me anymore. Ha-ha.
Almost 23. I could be your mother too? Great.
Yeah, you can have the reins.